cruising for a career online. And now a new website just for students in 40 of our local schools, how they can connect with businesses and really have a plan for their lives. We're going to check out Career Cruising. Plus, we have four-legged... It's going to be neat when you guys hear what we're going to talk about now. Career exploration in school. It's really graduated way beyond just having people from different professions come and talk to the kids on career day. I've done a million of those where I come in and say, hey, here's what it's like to do this. Well, now kids can go career cruising online on their own and be in direct contact with Quad City employers and what they need. Kirk Marski is here with Career Cruising Quad Cities with this program that costs nothing for schools or for businesses to use at all, right, Kirk?
That's right.
Is it a new concept or a kind of a new program?
It's been around for a few years, but I'm new to it. I've been doing it for about a year.
You're new to it, and you've really spread it out. Like 40 different schools with 23,000 different students are going to have access. Yep. So what's your best explanation of what it is, Kirk?
Well, it's a web-based career exploration program, and it's administered by Junior Achievement of the Heartland and the Moline Foundation. And as you mentioned, we're in several different schools, and students, with the guidance of their teachers and their counselors, can do career exploration online. So they can go in, they can do an assessment, they can look at career profiles online that will tell them about earnings and workplace settings. There's almost 600 different careers in the system. So
CareerCruisingQuadCities.org is where you go. So here's the main page. All right, so you're thinking, you know, I like what you said about the first thing people always ask about a career is what can you expect to earn in that job? And so these are people who are the businesses. They know, and they're in touch with this, and they give you the real lowdown on what the job is.
That's right. That's what makes our program unique, is we bring local companies and professionals into our program to contribute information so that students can learn about local companies and careers. So local companies can provide a company profile that's a summary of their company. They can also offer job shadowing and company tours, those activities that students like to do. And then one thing that's really unique are the career coaches, and those are volunteers who sign up to represent their careers and answer questions from students related to their careers.
Well, let's look at one.
Okay.
So, so we are going to log in on this. My username is psands, and my password is well, I guess I don't need to tell you that. Anyway, so I went to this, and so I'm going to. I mean, this is just for the experiment, you guys.
Right.
And so I've chosen the career of coroner.
Okay.
All right.
So if that was your choice, you could go in, so you can see all the information in there about the workplace settings. If you scroll down, the earnings around there, and then what kind of education you would need for it. And then on the left, since we have a career coach for that career, you could just click on a button and ask a question of that volunteer. So
that coach, that volunteer, would be a person who is a coroner?
Yes.
Okay, see, now that is...
right here in the Quad Cities.
That is really unique.
And we represent all industries, all different careers. There's welders in there, there's people from healthcare, there's people from manufacturing, education, broadcasting, so... Yeah,
really? Of course, there's a broadcasting one, right?
Yeah.
Would you like me to be a coach?
Sure.
I'll coach them,
we'll get you signed up. I signed you up as a student.
Get ready to get coached,
kids. Picture got in there.
Yeah, I know. So this is free of charge. It is in not every school. What if you're in a school that doesn't have it?
Tell your administrators you want to have it there.
Okay.
No, you can go to our website and see what schools are there, and then that way you'll know. But you know, we're working with schools in the area, the ones that don't have it yet, to get it in their schools as well. So we want to have it in all the schools if we can.
Isn't it true that you know, we don't want to rush it too much, but you know, we're asking kids when they're really young to start thinking about this.
Well, it helps them, I think, get on track in school too, because if they have a little more focus, if there's a career that they're interested in, and they can make a connection to what they're doing in school.
That's true.
It gets them on a pathway, and you know, a student who maybe doesn't understand why they have to learn a certain math lesson, all of a sudden they want to, you know, they're interested in being an engineering tech or something. That makes a little connection there for them for what they're doing in school.
It is for grade school too, and it's in elementary school.
Well, it's middle school and high school.
Middle and high. Okay, good. So, so ask about it at your school. 40 different schools in our area so far, and it's growing, I'm sure. You know, daily, weekly, whatever. Especially as we get into the school year. CareerCruisingQuadCities.org. Thank you, Kirk.
Thank you.
It was great to have you here today.
Glad to be here.
Former radio star.
Star, I don't know if I'd say star.
Well, you know, made the stars look good. King's Harvest in our four-legged friend spot.